The Players' Championship will continue as scheduled. The PGA Tour released a statement saying, in part, the Players' Championship will continue as scheduled, although we will absolutely continue to review recommendations. This is obviously a very fluid situation that requires constant review, communication, and transparency. The PGA Tour will provide an additional update at noon.
Now, the PGA Tour also said fans who no longer wish to attend, they can request a refund. Those details expected later on today, sometime around noon. So we'll, of course, have team coverage on that. But let's continue our coverage now from TPC Sawgrass. We have Lewis Turner, Curtis Dvorak out there with more on this and what you need to know ahead of round one starting today.